I'm planning on using a total of 3 AR-1s from Digitrax here on the Black Hills and Eastern Railroad. I'll show you what they are and how to use them here on this episode.
Black Hills and Eastern Railroad, from the plains of the Sioux Empire to the heart of the hills.
I've got one of these installed on the layout here, so I wanted to just show you the information card real quick, how easy these things are to install. So you're bringing track power or track bus in on track A and track B. I'll grab the actual AR-1 module that I don't have installed here, track A and B, here on the right side of the board, and then outputs to your actual reversing section here on these, what is that, pin 4 and 5. Out to reversing section. So really easy. The only other thing you have really on here is there's an adjustment switch to adjust the sensitivity of the reversing. I can think of 3 scenarios where this would be really useful or really commonly used. And the first would be this simple balloon track type scenario. The second would be a roundhouse type turntable scenario where you've got potential reversing going on there with each one of those tracks being reversed back to the main line out. And then also finally you'd have a situation where you have a Y track where you'd have a dead short situation unless you would insulate one of those legs of that Y, which I intend to do here on the Black Hills and Eastern Railroad. So I've got the train here on the end of the track on the Black Hills sub. We've got a little bit more track to lay to get to the Y up at Edgemont, but I wanted to show you this AR-1 here installed, and what I did is I brought my track bus power in here on this black and white wire, and again plugged it into those 1 and 2 pins on the AR-1, and then brought my track power out from the 4 and 5 pins, and you can see those go directly into the track here. And what I meant by triple gapping the reversing section is exactly this. These rails in between here are dead, so you can see I have 4 insulated rail joiners there, which separate the main line or the segment of track behind here, which is powered by the bus wires here in the foreground. And then, of course, this section of track here is powered by the AR-1, which reverses the track. We've got a dead short situation coming up here with the high line, the top level deck of the Black Hills and Eastern, and we need to remedy that with this AR-1 here. I've got another situation where I've got a Y track coming up that I'll need a auto reverser for, and also I've got a balloon track over there at on the top of Whitewood Hill between Whitewood and Deadwood that will also need an auto reversing situation. So I will be using a total of 3 Digitrax AR-1s, and I hope to pick up my last and final one at the train show here this spring. Hope you enjoyed the unusually short content this time. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody.